This is how to use the Assistant call screening feature in less than a minute. Call screening helps you know who's calling and why without picking up. This is how it works. When you get a call, it rings on your phone. As usual. But if you tap on Let the Assistant take the call will be forwarded to your assistant. They'll answer and screen it for you. When the caller responds to your assistant, you'll magically see who's calling and why on the screen. So how does the assistant sound like to the caller? The caller will hear the assistant asking,
"Hi, the person you're calling is using a screening service. May I ask who it is and the reason for the call?"
In the live call window, tap on an option to have your assistant say it to the caller in real time.
"Hey, can you please repeat the reason for the call?"
Then simply wait to see what the caller answered, just like a chat. That's it. Enjoy your new assistant.